Welcome to SHEARES VILLE, a stunning development strategically located here in number 9 Holt Road, which is easily accessible by foot or by wheels, yet letting you enjoy exclusivity in this posh private estate. Hello everyone, I'm Mark Lim of OrangeTee and Thai, and today I'm excited to bring you a tastefully renovated condo apartment here at SHEARES VILLE that is in show-flat condition. And the best part, this property is freehold, ensuring that your investment will stand the test of time. Are you ready?
SHEARES VILLE is a freehold condominium which has obtained TOP in 2004. There are 65 units in this development. Our unit stands at 1,399 square feet, which is a 3-bedder with 2 en-suites. Overall layout is spacious and functional. You'll enter into your personal lift lobby via the private lift, where you'll be greeted by a separate living and dining, giving you well-defined space to place your furniture. Kitchen is neatly tucked at one corner with a back door leading to the service lift and stairway. Master bedroom, junior master and a common bedroom are located away from the hall, giving you full privacy. Last but not least, there's also a home shelter that doubles as a storeroom. Enter the unit and you'll be greeted by a tastefully decorated home, cozy and classy, overlooking the swimming pool with an unblocked view. The high ceiling adds volume to the apartment, bringing you more comfort and sense of freedom while you enjoy tranquility at home. Dining is big enough for a table for 8 pax, allowing you more rooms to receive your guests. Kitchen is spacious and functionally equipped, which makes cooking for the family a joy. With lots of storage spaces in both the upper and lower cabinets, organizing and keeping all your kitchen necessities will be a breeze indeed. Master bedroom is decorated close to a hotel standard, making it the most comfortable part of the home. Junior master is bright and airy, which is used as a guest room here. Common bedroom is used as a study here, but you can always make it into a normal bedroom or children's playroom, etc. Now that we have seen the condo, let's move on to see the amenities. SHEARES VILLE is strategically located within easy reach to an abundance of amenities. For families with young school-going children, there are 4 primary schools within a radius of 2 kilometers, namely Alexandra Primary School, Zhangde Primary School, River Valley Primary School, and Gunningsing Primary School. Moving on to your daily essentials, the Valley Point, which is opposite of our locality, offers a variety of eateries and cafes, as well as the FairPrice Finest supermarket. If these are not enough, you will find an even wider variety of shopping and dining at Tiong Bahru Plaza and Great World City, in which both malls are just a short walking distance away. These are also where you will find the Tiong Bahru MRT station of the East-West line, as well as the Great World City MRT station of the Thomson East Coast line, respectively. In addition, our locality is also connected via just one bus ride to major local hotspots like Vivo City, Suntec City, Bugis Junction, Orchard Road Shopping Belt, Chinatown, Clarke Quay, etc. Besides this, you will also find a direct bus ride to the Singapore Management University or SMU at Stanford, the School of the Arts Singapore or SOTA. With such easy access to these amenities, SHEARES VILLE is indeed at a location not to be missed.
So there you have it, a ready-to-move-in apartment in an exclusive yet easily accessible location. If this is what you call home, call or text me now by scanning this QR code, and I'll be happy to show you around. Once again, I am Mark Lim of OrangeTee and Thai, and I hear from you soon.